I like handmade stuff, so I've got this hand painted handmade art. Let's open it together. Look at the packaging. It's gorgeous and it's super nice, elegant, makes an amazing gift. Makes an amazing home gift actually. Let's open it here like that. Look at the box, how gorgeous. Wow, look at that. Also comes with two little keys here. And I believe this is the stand. And wow, where joy happens. And you just basically just install it here. Look at the amazing hand painted crafts. Look, wow, it's beautiful. It's gonna make really nice addition decoration here. Wow, look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I hope you like it. And I hope you find it super nice to decorate your home with it.